In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore an archived product or service in Xero. If you've archived an item in Xero and now need it back in circulation, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to bring it back to active status. Restoring an item is helpful when a product or service becomes relevant again, and it lets you use it on invoices, quotes, and other sales documents without having to recreate it from scratch. Start by logging in to Xero. Once you're in, make sure you're viewing the correct organization if you have access to more than one, so you restore the item in the right place. From the main navigation, click Sales. This is where Xero groups your customer-facing features and records. Inside Sales, select Products and Services. This page lists all the items you use on sales documents, including anything that may have been archived. To narrow down the view, click Filter. Filters help you quickly separate active items from those that are archived. In the filter options, select archived items if it's available. If you don't see an archived filter, it usually means there are no archived products or services in this organization, and there may be nothing to restore at the moment. With the archived filter applied, find the product or service you want to bring back. You can scan the list, use the search box to type part of the name or code, or sort the columns to make the item easier to spot. When you've located the item, look to the right of its row for the three-dot menu, sometimes called the Overflow or More Options menu. Click that menu to reveal the available actions for this specific item. From the menu, select Restore. This action changes the item's status from archived to active. After you click Restore, wait for Xero to complete the process. You may see a brief spinner or a small confirmation message indicating the item has been restored. Once it's done, the item will reappear with your active products and services and can be used on new invoices, quotes, and other sales records just like before. If your list still shows the archived filter, you might not see the item immediately in the active view. Clearing the filter or returning to the full list will usually display the restored item. That's all there is to it. You've successfully brought an archived product or service back to life in Xero, saving time and keeping your item history intact without recreating anything.